Okay, at this point we should now have the two wall assemblies completed. We should have the back end assembly complete and the front end assembly complete, as so far we've gone through this video. Now the next stage is, this is to help you along again. Take your wall sections. In the corners, all four corners of both wall sections, or the two corners, this one and the other, we want to put another T-bolt with a nut on it and leave it loose. This will assist us shortly in the assembly of the unit to one of the ends. First thing we're going to do now is we're going to position one wall to the back end assembly. Now on all four corners, what we're going to do on this corner, it's exactly the same. We just follow the same procedure. First of all, the bolt that we put into the corner on the bottom of the sill, you set that in position, then you'll lift the back end assembly up and drop it over that bolt onto the slot. And it should just sit straight in there, like that. It's open-ended wrench, just to, again, snug these bolts up. Because they're so tight in proximity, it's easier to do it that way. Now that one is positioned. Now we move to the back corner we're going to assemble in now to the wall. Now I've removed the bolt from the wall that retained the cross brace into position, and we're going to slot it in. Also you'll note that I have removed the cross brace for ease of assembly. So we just take the gutter section, slide it into the corner. On the top one, top bolt that we've got in the top slot, we just drop it down into position, lock it up. And now with the bottom bolt, we're going to need to remove the nut, slide the screw up and put the brace over the top of the screw, then replace the nut. Now with the nuts on both, we're secure and solid. Now I'm going to go ahead and replace the cross brace. Now as you can see, we've reinstalled the cross brace, everything's neatly into the corner, it's all nice and tight. You may have to make some adjustments to it at a later time by slackening off the bolts up in here and allowing the frame to move just to square it up for your glazing. Now we'll repeat this on the door end without having the cross brace in the way.